Well, good morning, everybody. I am sorry to have to postpone our meetings today. I've got a couple kiddos. You can see the hair of one there with fevers and disgusting coughs and everything in between. So I am home on daddy duty today. That's right, baby. With sick kiddos. So there was a couple things that I was going to talk about today in our meetings. So you can see, hi Lincoln, that's Lincoln's face there. You can kind of see these here on the left hand side of what we are going to do. So if you guys could email me your responses. Hey Bubby, can you scoot back please? Thank you. Your responses to each of these things, and I'll kind of explain them real quick. The first one, I just want to know what your... He's not the sick one. He was the bonus. If the other two are staying, he's staying. Deal. Please be quiet for a second, okay? What's the thing you're most proud about from your class from the last week? Something that went really well, maybe something that didn't go really well, and how you responded to it. Maybe interaction with a student. Maybe it's something outside of class. Maybe you won state in cross country or something like that. You know, tell me what you're most proud about. The next thing I wanted to talk about is Standard 6. I don't think Jason has mentioned it in his post-observation meetings. I could be wrong. But what Standard 6 is, it is a reflection on the 6th educator standard. So in Olathe, we've got 6 standards, and the 6th one is that teachers impact student learning. And yeah, you have peanut butter today? Just get back, please. And what it is a reflection on that impact. And so it's a year-to-year reflection over student learning. And so this is something you'll do every year that you're in Olathe. Can you scoot back, please? People don't want to see you chewing. A year-to-year reflection over learning. So you'll pick a similar measure every year. And Lincoln, they can see your boogers. Can you scoot back, please? Thank you.
I see my boogers.
That's great. So, Linky, get back.
This
This is going super well, as you can see. So don't worry about it yet. Is really the main reason I wanted to talk about it. We will work on it later. Okay, January is our timeline for that.
Okay.
I wanted to look then at your self-reflections that you guys did from quarter 1 and really hone in our goals. Obviously, I can't do that over video, but I want you to brainstorm and send me what are the 2 goals that you want to work on the rest of the school year, at least for now. If we feel good about one, then we'll move on, but I want that to be. Peer observations, please make sure you're doing those. We need to do 1 a semester, and I need to know that you've done it. So when you do, let me know. That'll be the conversation of our consultations at the 1st of December. So I'll really need them done by then. And then if there's something that you need help with, let me know. I want to be an advocate for you. I want to be a support system. So I can only do as much as you tell me or ask me. So I hope you guys have a more organized day than I'm having this morning. And we will talk soon.